Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mujrad Nur Aziz and my last student number is 191. And this is time I will presentation about my final paper, and my title is of paper is Student Perception of Muhammadiyah University Yogyakarta about online learning in pandemic. And this research uses qualitative research and methods by using a Likert scale. And first time I would online learning. What about online learning? What about learning? Learning is education has the most important role in the civilization of human life so far. All innovation and human life from all walk of life began with education. Without education, civilization will be felt never happen. Life will go on according to the law force. Various kind of continuous education method change from time to time, follow time and pattern of human life to life modern society today. Has basic needs which are almost the same as primary human needs, such as like eating and sleeping. And next, what about is COVID-19? In the Indonesia government formally enforced rules of study, worship, and work from home from March 16, 2020, minimizing and limiting meeting involving physical contact is an effort to reduce the spread of the COVID-19 virus. This condition have implications for the effectiveness of the learning process in higher education. And the problem in learning is about is online learning easy to do? And item 2 is the material accessible when studying online. And number 3 is the signal a problem when learning online. For number 4, when you get a group assessment, is it easier when studying online? And the last number 5 is, should online learning be applied forever? About data is number 1 is online learning so easy to do. We look and this in agree in 14% and strongly agree is 13 and 26%. And this is so strongly agree is very a big, but then disagree is very big in 36%. And data 2 is the material acceptable when study online is the strongly agree is just 14% and disagree is 23%. And this is 50-50 on agree. And number 3 is the signal or problem when learning online. And this is strongly agree on this is problem signal, and this is get 36%. And data 4 yes, agree is very big or safe as 15-4%. And this data 5 is so learning online and applied forever is this is not disagree very disagree 50-30% And in this question, this finding is empirical evidence of the validity of online learning experienced by students. According to the result of research online learning is not easy to apply, because according to student, online learning is a learning that is not easy because of the many obstacles. The material delivered by the lecture also does not necessarily enter the student's brain because of lack of understanding in online learning. Next, about conclusion. Conclusion in this study, although many educators, students and the community are not ready yet facing the era of the industrial revolution for the 4.0. Courageous learning in the midst of this COVID-19 pandemic is forcing all humans to be ready for today's technology development. From a sociological perspective, this policy is the right step to take under this condition. Like there is an acceleration so that society on progress faster with internet technology now. And this is my presentation about my paper is title of Perception Student University Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta about online learning in pandemic.